Welcome to Cooking with the Cook Sisters, brought to you by the United States Botanic Garden. We're very pleased to be with you regularly to offer online cooking demonstrations and home garden tips. Hi, I'm Danielle Cook. It's berry season, and today our focus is all about blueberries. We're going to check in with the other cook sister, Adrienne, who's showing a lot of TLC to her blueberry bush these days. But first, I'm going to make us a breakfast blueberry grain bowl. It's a recipe I like a lot because it's just a little extra work that makes me feel like I'm really taking care of myself and starting the day right. The base of the grain bowl is going to be farro, so we're going to get that cooking first. Farro is an ancient wheat grain that's high in fiber and protein. I'm using it as a substitute for oatmeal, but you could also use quinoa. While the farro is cooking, we'll turn our attention to making our blueberry topping. I'll combine 2 cups of blueberries with some honey. Bring the berries to a low simmer. As they begin to cook down and get juicy, I'll add lemon zest and chia seeds. Chia seeds are very nutritious. They're a great source of fiber and protein, as well as iron and omega-3 fatty acids. Let the berries and the seeds simmer together until they form a thick, jam-like consistency. This won't take but about 10 minutes. And then let the berries cool down. Once the farro is cooked, we're ready to assemble the bowl. I'll top the farro with some vanilla yogurt, our blueberry jam, and some fresh berries. So grain bowls are not just for dinner. I encourage you to experiment with different grains and different fruits. Well, with a breakfast like this, you'll be fueled for the day. Okay, Adrienne, what do we need to know about taking care of blueberries?
Hi, I'm Adrienne. Welcome to my garden. I once had a black lab who used to eat blueberries off the bush one at a time. This shows you how popular they are with backyard garden critters. We're going to talk about that today. This is my blueberry fortress. Let's start by removing the front panel of the protective cage. We can get a good look at what's going on with the bush. The first berries of the season. Blue-green foliage and neat habit of blueberries make them attractive as ornamental plants. Of course, as the berries ripen, they're a magnet for all kinds of critters. Chipmunks, birds, squirrels. I've put up a permanent protective cage around my blueberries. I use scrap lumber and hardware cloth. There are terrific temporary cages available online. They're designed to be put up and taken down once the berries are all picked. The blueberry season is short, and it's well worth protecting those berries so that you can enjoy that harvest. Thanks for joining me today. Next week, Danielle's bringing you a great recipe on corn, and I'm going to be doing tips and tricks. So please join us then.